object and block of statements. Please try to type Do you see the notepad now? Please respond me. Okay, people are coming very late and disturbing like anything. Okay, that's how it is creating problem for us. Do you see the notepad now? Please respond me. Okay, system is slow. That's the reason. Okay, now you see. Do you see the screen? Do you see the notepad? Please respond me. Do you see the notepad on the screen? Okay. So everybody type the for loop, syntax of for loop. Everybody type the syntax of for loop in the chat box. For variable in object and block of statements. Good. Kavya has written capital F. It's not capital F. It is a small f. Okay. I'll type one more time. You can see here. You can see in the screen. For, okay. For variable. Okay. For variable in object. In object colon. Now here block of statements. Here it is block of statements. Okay. Everybody type this, whichever I have highlighted in blue color. Please. Every one of you. For variable in object as Nitish. Okay. Divya. Okay. Sushma. Okay. Okay, Priya. For variable in object, block of statements. Okay, Suraj. Usha. Okay. Surabhi. Where is the colon after object? Durga Devi. Okay. Surabhi, you type once again. Good. For variable in object. Kevin. Okay. Rachna. Surabhi, where is the colon after object? You see there? After object, type colon. Okay. Surabhi, type once again. I'll be waiting for you. Okay. Now, if you see there in the for loop, I have took a list. I have took a list. I have initialized with some elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then after that, for I in my list, print I. Okay. This is the. If you do like this, we'll be getting the output. Okay. Now we'll do few more examples. We'll do few more examples. Now, now you can see 1 to 10 using while loop. Okay. Program. Program for printing numbers from even numbers from 1 to 20. Please try this. Please try this, any one of you, and type in the chat box. Printing numbers from 1 to 20 using while loop. Printing program for printing even numbers from 1 to 20 using while loop. Using while. Please type in the chat box. Okay, I'll comment this. I'll do it for you. Say what is the first even number that needs to be printed. Okay, that is 2. So I will initialize I with 2. After that, while. After that, while condition. What must be the condition? I must be less than. I must be less than or equal to 10. Okay. I must be less than or equal to 10. After that, colon. Now print I. Print I. Okay. After that, I plus is equal to 2. Okay. You can see there if you run this. Even numbers from 2 to 20. Please respond me. Shashank Mishra, where is colon after I is less than or equal to 20? Okay. Now you can see there, this will print the numbers from 2 to 20. Okay. Now after this, I'll give few more examples for loop. Okay. I'll give few more examples for loop. Okay. This time I'll give an example of for loop. Okay. I'll take languages. I'll take languages is equal to a list of languages. A list of languages. Okay. Can you type the languages names? Computer languages names in the chat box. Java, Java. Can you type the languages? C, C++, Java, Python, Python. Then few more. Kotlin, C hash. Okay. Kotlin, C hash. C hash. Then R. Did you heard R? Okay. I forget to enclose within quotes. Everything must be enclosed within quotes because these are strings. So enclose within quotes. Kotlin is a language. C hash is a language. R is a language. Okay. Now we are using the for loop and we are printing them. For I or for language in languages for language in languages colon print language okay. Now when I run this, you'll get all the languages whatever we have typed. Okay, you can see there C, C++, Java, Python, Kotlin, C hash, and R. Okay. Are you able to follow? Please respond me. This time what you are going to do is you are going to choose your own IPL team and you are going to print them. Everybody must type that one by using for loop. Okay. I'll show you now. I'll be taking my own IPL team. I'll take RCB. Okay. I'll take RCB. Players. I'll take that one as players. A list of players. Here you can write RCB. The first one is RCB. Okay, then you can write the player names. I know only few names. Virat. Okay. Always names must enclose within quotes. Now I'm going to print them for player or player in players. Colon print 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 player. Okay. So what is the mistake? See here, what is the mistake? See the screen and tell me what is the mistake. Indentation error. Indentation error. What I must do? Not double quotes. How about indentation error? Spacing. The far must be moved here. Okay. The far must begin in the first line. F must begin in the first line. Okay. And similarly, here I must remove the quotes. Okay. Now I'll run it. You see there? Virat, Chahal and ADB. Okay. You can write here RCB. Now everyone do this. Take your own choice of IPL team and try to print the player names. Type in the chat box, all of you. Any of your choice. Okay. Good. Here you must know using of the for loop. Okay. Please type. I'll wait for a few more minutes. Okay, Abhishek says, okay, for team in, oh, good. You see there, we must give player in players. Okay, proper naming must be there. I want you to learn the naming of variables. Okay. Now we shall move ahead. The next one is range function. You must know range function. Okay. Prints. It prints values. It prints values in a sequence. In a sequence. Okay. In a sequence. Range is a function. I in range range of 10. Okay. So print I. Print I. So if I run this, I must comment this. Okay, you can see there range is printing from 0 to 9. Okay, are you able to follow? Please respond me. Are you able to follow? Please respond me. Okay, you see there we are using a function range. We are using a function range. Okay, it takes few parameters. It take, see here, there are few points you must know. It has one parameter, one or two, three parameters. Okay, say in this example we took one parameter. In this example we took one parameter, range of one parameter. Okay, now always the values will begin from 0. Values will begin from 0. From 0. Okay, and you see there I have used 10. I have used 10. You are not going to get the 10 as output. Until the 10 you are going to get. Until the 10 you are going to get. You will get 0, 1, 2. Okay, until 9. Until 9. Okay. So I'll comment this. I'll comment this. I'll comment all these values. Now, using the range function, everybody print the values until 50. Until 50. Using the range function, try to print the values until 50. Please type in the chat box. It must begin from 0. See the syntax. Instead of 10, I must write here. Instead of 10, I must write here. Okay, Sri Lakshmi says for I in range of 50. Good. You can see there for I in range of 50. Okay. When I run this, I want 51. I want 50. Okay. So you must give 51. Okay, Ritik says for I in range of 50. Good. Okay, you can see there. See the output. We have begun from 0. We have begun from 0 and we have ended at 50. Okay. If I have given 50, you'll get until only 49. You'll get only until 49. We will wait. You see there? You see the output? We got only until 49. Okay. So 50 is excluded. So you must write 51. Now similarly, we'll comment this. Now the range. Now the range will also have two parameters. Two parameters. Start and stop. Okay. For example, if we want the numbers in between 1 to 10, okay, we can give numbers from 1 to 10. We can use range of 1 comma 11. Okay, now you can try this. We can try this range of 1 comma 11. You see there, for I in range of in range of 1 comma 11. 1 comma 11. Now after this, print I. Okay, now you tell me the mistakes. What are the mistakes I have written here? See the screen, all of you, and tell me the mistakes. Wherever the mistakes is there, you can see in the red colored. Okay, you see there, F must begin in first line. Okay, F must begin in the first column. Okay, you should not give any space here. It must begin in the first line. Okay, after that, colon. Here I must give colon. Okay, if I run this, you will get the values from 1 to 10. Okay, I did not comment this. Okay, you can see there 1. We have started from 1 and we have printed until 10. Okay. Now similarly, we'll be having 3 parameters: start, stop, increment. Okay, if you want to print even numbers, in between 2 to 100, if you want to print even numbers in between 2 to 100, can you try for this? You can see there, range of start is 2. Okay, stop is 100. Stop is 100. Now increment must be given by 2, so that it gives you 2, 4, okay, 6 until 100. Okay, so I'll comment this. Try in for I in range of start. What is the start? You must give start as the initial number. The initial number we want to print is 2. Okay, 2 comma. What is the stop? We want stop as 100. Okay, after that, every time it needs to be incremented by 2. After that, give colon. Close that. Give colon. Print I. Okay. I run this. Now before running, just you can comment this. Now okay, you can see the output. We have started from 2. Okay, We got the values. We got the values until 100. Okay. Now, everybody try for odd numbers. Everybody try for odd numbers. Okay. I'll wait for your answers. Odd numbers in between 1 to 100. Odd numbers from 1 to 100. Try for that. Please type in the chat box for high in range of 1 to 100. Good. You can write here. Say for I in range of what will be the starting number? What must be the starting number? 1. 1 must be the start. 1 must be the start. Okay. What must be the stop? We can give 100. Okay. And it must be incremented by 2 always. It must be incremented by 2 always. So give colon. So give colon. After that print. After that print I. Okay. So shift F10. I'll be using. So I need to comment this. I forget to do the comments. I'll run one more time. System is slow. Okay, system is slow. You can see there. What is the first number? 1 is the first number. After that, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, 5. We got until 99. Okay. Good. Sarah Batul says good. Okay. Now I'll tell you a simple thing. Okay. I think we can stop here. So in this session, you learned range. Okay. You learned range. Okay. Range with 1 parameter. Range with 1 parameter. Range with 2 parameters. Parameter 1 and parameter 2. Okay. Now range with 3 parameters. Parameter 1, parameter 2. Now this must always be used with for loop itself. This must always be used with for loop only. Okay. Now, so you must learn the while loops and for loops efficiently. Okay. Okay, I think we can stop here. Are you able to understand what I'm saying? We are going very slow. Network is very slow. Try to come in time. Whenever you interrupt here, the Google Meet is shouting like anything. Okay, we can stop here. Please do revise all the concepts until now, whatever you have learned. Okay, and try to practice every day. Okay. If any issues, please let me know. Okay, thank you. Thank you, all of you.